In this video, we are going to solve some questions of exercise number 9.1. Write in logarithm form 10 raised to the power 4 is equal to 10,000. To solve this, the logarithm form of 10 raised to the power 4 is 10,000 and it can be written as log form log 10,000 with base 10 is equal to 4. And it can be written as log 10 raised to the power 4 with base 10 is equal to 4 log 10 with base 10. And it can be written as 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, because if base and number is same, then value will 1. Here we are using a formula log m raised to the power n, which is n log m. In question number 4th, 5 raised to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 25, and it can be converted or it can be write in log form is log 1 by 25 with base 5 is equal to minus 2. And question number 8 is write in power form log 729 with base 3 is equal to 6, and it can be written in power form. Power, it means exponential form, is 3 raised to the power 6 is equal to 729. Question number 12, log 4 with base root 2 is equal to 4. So it can be written in exponential form is root 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 4.